In this video, I'll show you how to download the Instant Website Builder app on an Android phone. So first things first, go ahead and open up the Play Store app. Make sure you're signed into your account. Click on the search icon at the bottom, then tap inside the search bar at the top. When your keyboard appears, type in Instant Website Builder app. Click on the search results. Scroll down to find relevant information about the app, such as reviews. You can also check your phone's compatible with this app. When you're happy with the download, click the blue install button. The Instant Website Builder app will now start downloading to your phone. This could take several minutes depending on your internet speed. Once it's downloaded, it'll then start installing. Again, this could take several minutes. Once it's been downloaded and installed, you'll be able to click on the blue open button to directly open the app from within the Play Store. However, it's best to come out of the Play Store, go to your home screen, then scroll through your apps and check that the app icon has been installed on your phone, and if it's there, happy days, click on it and it should open up the app. So that is how you download the Instant Website Builder app on an Android phone.